Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to add a profile picture to your Zedge account. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now and enable the accessibility mode. Right now, what we want to do is go to Profile. In the navbar, right next to the notification bell, you'll see a profile icon right here. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. While changing our profile picture relates to account settings. So let's click on this button right here. A new tab will open up like this. That is account management. Right here, you can see something like profile picture, and next to it, an icon like this. Simply click on it. And as you can see, the profile picture has been deleted. And now we can add another one. Let's simply click on this area right now that says drag and drop or browse. Now here is the image that I have selected. I'm simply gonna click and open. Now it's gonna ask you to change the image position. Change it as you wish. I'm satisfied with it, so I'm simply gonna click on change. And once everything's okay, let's simply hit on save changes. And guys, there you go. We have successfully updated account settings. That is, we have changed the profile picture. Well guys, that's it. That's how we changed the profile picture in Zedge. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.